Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today guys, I'll be teaching you about crossover and support and resistance strategy. Remember guys, on my previous video I told you that these stochastic or all indicators that you may know, they are all lagging indicators. The only thing that is leading guys, and that is going to help you to maybe to filter out all fake outs in the market, is the support and resistance. So why support and resistance? Because we want to know where the market is going to experience an opposite force, right? So in this case guys, we have a previous support here. This is euro USD. We have a previous support here, right? And support here again, and a support here. So this support became this support. It is clear, right, that the market was retesting here on this top, right? It was retesting this point. So how do you trade the stochastic and the support resistance? The aim guys is to wait for a crossover, because when the stochastic crosses, right, when the stochastic crosses, what does it mean? It means that the market um, it is changing direction. It means that it has respected that support or resistance. But what you must know, because it's a lagging indicator, in this case there was a bounce here, as you can see guys, there was a bounce, but the crossover, it will always happen after the market has already moved away from your resistance. So that's what we should know. You will enter late as long as you are using this, what we call, as long as you are using stochastic or MACD or or relative strength index. You will always enter at least 2 bars away. So in this case guys, let us check where we entered. The crossover happened here. The crossover happened here. Exactly on which candle? Let me put a vertical line so that we can see. If the crossover happened here, it means that the actual crossover where you were supposed to enter, it is this point. It is this candle. So immediately this candle opens, this one here. Immediately this candle open, that's where you're going to look for sell. It means that they have respected that support. That's the reason there's a crossover. So when we approach a support resistance, you can trade it like this. If you have a support resistance, make sure wait for the market to do what, to retest that support. And if you see that okay, there is a crossover, but this crossover happened on the support, it means that crossover is what, it is a strong crossover, a crossover which can help you make profit, right? A crossover which can help you make profit. Let us see here. The market also it came back and retested. It came back and retested here again, right? What happened guys? What happened? Let us look at it. What happened? um this support, I mean not support, this resistance guys became this resistance again, which means it was a retest. What happened? You must look at your stochastic. The stochastic did what? It did cross on the support. The market didn't break the support, and then the stochastic gave us a signal of a crossover. This crossover, it means that we are selling. What happened guys? um, the market started selling. So it's an easy strategy. Let us see this little bit of a fake out here. This fake out, as you can see, you see this fake out. It was a crossover here, but this crossover happened here. So guys, if a crossover happens not on a supported zone or a level zone, don't enter, because it's a false signal, right? It means that the market is just breathing. So in this zone, it was just breathing. So that's how you trade your support resistance strategy with stochastic or MACD or all those stuff. But I will make another example using a MACD indicator. In fact, I love trading stochastic and MACD because I know that they give more information than the rest of the indicators. But I'll also do another video or compare these guys with a MACD, so that you can see which one you can choose between the two, right? Also guys, there was a divergence here. If you have not watched my video of a divergence convergence, there was a divergence here. These top guys, they are not equal. That's the reason people sold here. So it was a crossover to a divergence, because these tops are not equal. These tops are not equal. It means the market, it was diverging, right? But at the end of the, but when you look at the chart, these two tops, they are equal. but here on our stochastic it is not equal. And the main aim of not having an equal tops is that the reason this one is on the stochastic, it's huge. This wave was a huge wave because they wanted to create a more oversold, more overbought situation. So this was a more overbought situation. Immediately you see a divergence. So in this case, guys, this was more overbought. That's the reason they sold here. So a simple support resistance strategy. Make sure, guys, that you use these indicators with support resistance. You will by doing so you will eliminate something like this. This fakes out. This fake out. They will be eliminated as long as you are trading the same thing. Let us look at this breakout table, for example. We instead we did retested, guys, and then we came back to this level again. Let us look at it, and then the market did broke, right? Let us look at our stochastic. Our stochastic represent that here we did have a breakout. That's the reason it symbolizes a sell. So we don't consider a stochastic unless the resistance has been broken or it has been it's a bounce. So in this case, we had bounces. That's the reason we traded based on the stochastic. And here we have bounce, and then we see the stochastic crossing again. So we have filtered out many fake signals, right? All these signals that you see here, we have filtered them out using support resistance. So which means support resistance, guys, they help us to filter out all the noises on our indicators and trade where everyone is looking to enter position. In this case, look at this retest again. We have a retest here. A retest here. On this retest, the market did give us a signal of a crossover, which means you would have entered, right? And then it comes back again, and then a retest, and then a signal again, what of a sell. So that's the reason there was a sell. I hope now you understand, guys, how to trade support resistances with your indicator. But there are some people who like the MACD. So I'll make another video which we are going to be looking at this same situation using the MACD. You will see what is going to happen. Maybe you can use the both of them or one of them. So guys, don't forget to subscribe or to like this channel. If I'm changing how you look at the market. Don't forget to subscribe and to look at for my other videos. I also give signals on this channel, so for free signals, guys, just watch my other videos. That's where maybe you can implement, because I only give some the true support resistances, so you can use the stochastic and all those stuff to add on that strategy for confirmation. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.